Gwendolyn Charles Young. Yeah. Well, with her, she was a beauty. She could have sing. She could have dance. She was really, really nice. But then she come and she died young. Church was handed down to her. She maybe was about, let me see, about 39. Yeah, but that's how she ended up changing the church from Divine Army to Spiritual Baptist. Yeah, she reaffiliated the church. We used to have a children's service Friday night. The service used to be Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And Friday used to be the children's night. So all of us had a part to play in that service on a Friday night.
Yeah. So she would have been practicing in
in the church.
Okay.
Yeah, she used to carry on the church. Yeah, it didn't last long.
But she was
in her death, it had foul play.
It looks like that.
Yeah, it had foul play because she thought that somebody who my grandmother take up, you know, she was one of my grandmother's. All right, Alan, she was one of my grandmother's spiritual daughter. And in all she trouble, she used to stay home by us, you know. And well, like she wanted the church more than mommy. She said that how she get a vision to come and help mommy run the church. But within the space of maybe 2 months, mommy died. So and she just take the church.